to me. Happy birthday.
So these are the ingredients I used to bake my cake. I used Ajab baking flour. I had 1 kg sugar. I had 7 eggs, as you can see, 2 liters of milk, blue band, baking powder. We did not have a microwave, so we used a jiko for baking and 2 sufurias. Between the 2 sufurias we used salt, and also we used the vanilla essence as the flavor of our cake. I will explain the use of cocoa as we move on, and to see more videos like this when I cook with my students, please guys remember to subscribe. What is the use of this cocoa?
To change the color. Decorate.
Yes, for decoration or to change the color of some parts of the cake. Now why do we need the margarine here? Yes, one use of the margarine so that the cake will not stick in the sufuria, and the other use for rubbing it. Yeah. We took some time to light our jiko, but we were done in few minutes. As the jiko was being prepared, we prepared the sufuria for baking. So this is called?
Greasy.
Yes, greasy. Again guys, for support and for more videos, please guys don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe, hit the like button and share. After greasing, we prepared our flour through sieving. Shake. As the sieving was going on, I added some baking powder. So as the sieving went on, we went ahead to prepare the wet ingredient. We started with milk and we put it in a sufuria, 2 liters of it. And then we added 1 kg sugar, then followed by eggs, 1 by 1 in case there is one that has gone bad. So is this one okay?
Yes.
Okay. So this is the last egg that we put, and luckily all the eggs were good. So next we added the vanilla essence, chocolate flavor. So if you don't have vanilla essence when you are baking your own cake, you use?
Lemon.
Yes, lemon. You use a lemon, okay?
Yes.
So now because we have vanilla essence, we are going to use it. You don't need lemon.
That is.
You don't need lemon, huh?
Yes.
Yeah.
So you're putting it on?
No?
Yes.
But most of it.
And then
That is tough chips.
stop pushing me or
That is enough. After that, we did the mixing until all the ingredients had mixed together properly. By the time we were done mixing, our flour was already sieved. So the next thing that followed was rubbing in the margarine into the flour. So as you do the rubbing in, you should be raising the mixture up to increase air circulation. And that is the mixture after rubbing in. Next, we made a well into the mixture of flour and margarine so that we can add our wet mixture to make our cake batter. After that, we mixed properly to have a fine batter. The mixture was ready. After that, I divided the batter into two. To one mixture, I added cocoa for cake decoration, and then I mixed it properly to have also a fine texture. Next, I put salt into the sufuria. This is the first sufuria, but it's not the one that we are putting the cake. So we put some salt there. You can also use soil or water, but I prefer salt. As you can see, our mixtures are ready to be put in the baking sufuria. The sufuria I had greased, I put it inside the one with salt, and the second sufuria is not touching the bottom of the first. And then the next thing I do is put butter into the baking sufuria, starting with the first mixture of the butter. Then the second mixture. And we top it up, and then after that I covered it. We also put some live charcoal on the top of the lid to make sure that the cake is baking from the bottom and up. After 1.5 hours, we inserted a knife inside the cake and it came out clean, and that means it was ready.